The minimum gate to post spacing that the best latch will fit in is 2.5 inches. If the spacing between your gate and post is less than 2.5 inches, measure that spacing, which here we have about 2 inches. So in order for the gate latch to work, we need 2.5 inches. So we need to notch the post 1/2 inch. The first thing to do is set your latch up in here with the gate at the height you'd like the latch to be, and put a pencil mark. Your gate latch is 6 inches. So with a tape measure, measure just over 6 inches, about 6¼ inches. And with a square, put a line across your post on the top and the bottom. Set your saw at the depth you need. In this case, it's 1/2 inch. So with your tape measure, you measure 1/2 inch and set the depth. Your first 2 cuts are critical. You want to make sure you follow the lines. Now you're going to make a series of cuts in the post. These don't necessarily have to be straight. After you've made your series of cuts with a chisel and a hammer, you're just going to knock this wood out. Clean up any remaining high spots so your latch will set flat. Once you've shaved the wood off to the depth of your cut from the saw, now you're ready to mount the latch. With the 7/32 drill bit, I'm going to drill 4 pilot holes. So hold your latch up, make sure it's in alignment with the post. And with a 1/2 inch drive socket and the leg bolts supplied with the latch when you buy it, you mount to the post. So tighten until the bolts are snug and your latch is mounted, ready for use. And with the notch post in your latch, your gate will now latch.